case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 2001 Court of Appeals of Georgia case, Bowen v. Cochran, centered around the limited circumstances under which a judge can direct a verdict, with the jury being responsible for determining any negligence or assumption of risk by the plaintiff. David R. Bowen sued Fred Cochran and Classy Cooker Manufacturers, Inc. after a gas grill explosion left him with severe burns on his hands and forearms. A jury initially found in favor of Cochran, and the case was appealed by Bowen. The court ruled that there was no error in denying Bowen's motions for directed verdict on the affirmative defenses of assumption of risk and contributory negligence, as there was sufficient evidence to support these defenses. Bowen had chosen to light the cooker with rolled-up newspaper rather than using the trigger lighter provided by Cochran, and he failed to follow proper ventilation procedures. The court affirmed the original judgment, upholding the jury's verdict that found in favor of Cochran.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.